The question is, find the value of the expression 81x square plus 16y square minus 72xy when x is 2 by 3 and y is 3 by 4. For this, we can relate this question with a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square, where in place of a square, I can see 81x square, which means applying the square root, a is 9x. In place of b square, I can see 16y square. So if you apply the square root, b is going to be 4y, and in place of 2ab, I can see 72xy. That also matches as 2 into 9x multiplied with 4y. You can see 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72. 72xy is nothing but 2ab. So this a square minus 2ab plus b square is of the form a minus b whole square. Therefore, the expression 81x square minus 72xy plus 16y square is 9x minus 4y the whole square. Now we can see x is 2 by 3, therefore it is 9 into 2 by 3 minus y is 3 by 4, that's 4 into 3 by 4 whole square, where 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 cancels, 4 1s are 4 1s are cancels. So this equation simplifies to 3 2s are 6 minus 3 the whole square, which means it is 6 minus 3, 3 square. The final answer is 9.